Bam! Welcome to the Daily Dose. Guess who's here? It's Jaco! We've never seen Jaco in forever. Right.
Okay, got it. I just want to make sure I know where the camera is.
Right. So I promised you a quick Daily Dose today. This is going to be the second day in a row. I'm so excited Daily Dose is back. And we were here recording the House Wine podcast.
It's a podcast.
And I was like, we did a great episode about sulfites. So I felt like that would be a really great Daily Dose for today. So Jaco, can you remember, God, there's so much wine.
So we've already done the House Wine podcast. With House Wine podcast, we drink quite a bit of wine. So right. Excuse James, but does sulfites, James, cause headaches, right?
Right. And the answer is
no. So if you're drinking wine and you're one of those wine drinkers and you're like, you know what? I can't drink wine because wine gives me headaches, and it must be the sulfites that's inside. Your answer to that person saying that is going to be like, no, that's not the reason at all.
It is not the reason. And sulfites are naturally occurring in wine. Mm-hmm. Now, some wine makers do add sulfites to it, and it's part of the winemaking process. So there's a certain threshold where people have to claim their sulfites. So you can be like, this wine is like sulfite free or no added sulfites. It's because it's under like 10 per million or whatever the number is.
10 parts per million.
10 parts per million, right. So, but there's always sulfites per wine. What's causing your headache, by the way, just speaking about headaches and sulfites, it's not the sulfites, it's probably your hydration status, number one. It's also some of the sugar in the wine, too.
Drink water.
So, glass of wine, glass of water. Glass of wine, glass of water. In the morning, hydrate yourself, please. Ibuprofen, 600 milligrams every 6 hours. Go for a little run. Rehydrate yourself. You'll feel a lot better headache will go away. Sound good?
Cheers.
Happy Daily Dose, guys. Have a great weekend. See you next week.